Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And I highly recommend you check out her channel. She is so talented. And she says there's no hashtag for this. So just enjoy yourself. All you have to do with these is pick whatever subject you want to pick. Use a crossword collage. Use your crossword puzzle. You can get it from the newspaper or a crossword book. I was gifted this wonderful book by Barbie, and this was my last week's, and I just did Winter Whimsy. But you can do whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be what everybody else is doing. And just fill in your words. I'm doing a cooking theme today, and I'm using these retro images from this book that I got for Christmas. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Y'all remember Barbie in your prayers. She's not feeling real good. Hopefully she's feeling better by the time this airs. I'm just going to start by getting this down. And she's using her book just to make like a journal. And I may come back and do that. Right now, I have a journal that I'm using. And I think I'm just going to go through and collage using this. And I love having both sides. So, and I did scan these because this was on the back of fussy cuts. So I did scan so I could have both sides. And I've already got my, I've got kitchen, eat, cook, yum, and sip. So I'm just gonna put my stuff down and just have fun doing that. So let's get this down. Now, I didn't have any words up here, so I don't think I'm going to even worry about, that's kind of a 50s color. And so I think I'm just going to put that down. And I think I'll use my glue stick on that. But I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. Be sure, like I said, check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. I have it listed in my description box down below. I love using retro. I think it's fun. I know a lot of ladies get offended with this, but I would have loved being a housewife. I got to stay home for a little while when my boys were younger, until my youngest, he was leaving kindergarten when I went back to work. And that was definitely a have to. So you do what you have to do. But it would have been nice if my husband could have made enough money for me to stay home. Unless you have a lot of money, it's hard for that to happen with your lower middle class. All right. And I got that down, so now I think I'm just going to embellish with, these food kind of retro. I love the coffee pot there. And since I've got Sip and her drinking coffee, I think I'm going to put that there. This is going to be a quick and simple one. Sometimes your images just speak for you. Oh, well, it's going to be crooked because you can't pull it back off. So we've got strawberries. That may be yeah, I think that's strawberries. We'll say it's strawberries. We'll add that there. We've got a pear. We can add that there. Let's see what else we have. We have, I think these are peaches. And we have another, yeah, I believe these are pears also. Cute. I believe. Do we want a plate? We've got this here, like a food seal. All right. Well, I do like that. Hopefully I will add some splatters. Let me find my brush. Spend more time looking for my brush. All right. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and look for the crossword puzzles that's on there. So until next time, bye y'all.